Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Welcome to day 27 of the 2021 challenge. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Chuck, and we are in the middle of a weight loss challenge. I challenged myself back in February to lose 21 pounds in the year 2021 because 2020 happened. And we're on day 27 of that challenge. And this is my 27th take of this video today because I can't talk. 27 days in a row of trying to do these videos. And today is the day where it's all coming out garbled. So please bear with me. I'll try to get through this. I promise. That's more frustrating than my weight or my blood pressure right now, is trying to talk into a camera and everything, see what I mean? Everything coming out sideways. Anyway, stats. Let's do the stats. I weighed 189 today. I started off at 200 on February 24th. I weigh 189 today. I've lost 11 pounds. I'll take it. My blood pressure was 145/91 when I started in February, and today it was 128/80. It's been lower. It jumped up. I'm not going to talk about it because I just can't talk. So we'll leave it at that. It'll get better. I'm still happy with it. When you get frustrated like this because of your weight or blood pressure, it's good to have an overall big picture. So here's my scale. Here's my graph I made from the last 27 days worth of weight numbers I've been writing down. You should do this too, because it looks like nothing's happening, but you can see the overall picture. But it's good to have. And don't be discouraged. That was the next thing on my list to talk about. I'm more discouraged about this video, the way I'm talking, than anything else. And I'm not going to give up. Well, I sure want to right now. So how are we doing this? How are we losing the weight, lowering our blood pressure, blood sugar, whatever? We're simply eating real food. Foods that we would go out to the garden and pick. So, for example, I'm having oatmeal every morning with a little water and some blueberries, a banana, a slice of Ezekiel toast, and I spread a little Marmite on it. For lunch, I had the same thing as I had for dinner last night. I had leftovers. It's my cheesy hash brown enchilada. I'll put a link down here below. You can check it out. It's basically hash browns. If you get the frozen kind, make sure you thaw them first. You need some red chili sauce. I got a link up here for that. Link down below for the recipe also. And some cheese sauce. Again, I have a recipe up here. And the blog recipe will be down here. And let's see what else. Corn tortillas, an onion, some red bell pepper, jalapeno, cilantro, whatever you like. You kind of mix it all together. Throw it in a casserole dish. Bake it for 45 minutes. You got dinner. It's simple. It's filling. It's very tasty. And that was my dinner last night. I had leftovers for lunch. For dinner tonight, I'm going to make my best damn vegan chili ever, because it is. That'll last 3 or 4 days for lunches easily. So, again, I'll put a recipe link up here, and the blog recipe will be down here. So, simple food, real food, nothing processed, no fake meat, no fake cheese, no microwave meals, nothing like that. No restaurants, no takeout, no pizzas. Real, honest to goodness food. We're eating right and we're exercising. That's it. Let's go on to the testimonial I got for my Facebook group. By the way, I do have a Facebook group. There's a whole bunch of us in there doing this challenge. We encourage each other and we share stories and our weight and our recipes and our food, and we share all kinds of stuff. So if you'd like to join, there's a link down here. If you'd like to join this challenge, there's a link down here. If you want to see what the challenge is all about, I got a video card up here. There we go. Got through all that. And a testimonial. What did she say? She said, Chuck, as you always encourage us to remember our why. Yes. As much as I want to lose more weight, and I've lost 36 pounds in 18 months, 5 since doing this challenge, and I need to lose 20, 25 more, My first why was to get healthier and off prescriptions. That's a good why. Last summer, I was able to eliminate my cholesterol meds, one blood pressure med, and lower the dosage on another. My thyroid med was cut down also. Good for you. And my husband joined his way of eating about 6 months ago, and almost within a month or maybe 6 weeks, he was able to stop his insulin completely. That's amazing. Good job, buddy. That's how you do it. And has since also stopped his cholesterol meds. It works. Thanks for the encouragement. Thank you for this post. I needed that. It's working. That's why we're doing this. So I'm looking at my notes, what else I was going to talk about. I can't really talk anyway, so I might as well just get through this as quick as I can. As you heard from the lady in the Facebook group, this is working. Remember your why. My why is to get healthy. I've always been overweight. I'm not being a good example to you if I'm overweight and have a food blog, am I? So there's that. I had a stroke last year. I want to make sure that never happens again. There's that. And I want to set a good example for my grandson and keep up with him and set a good example for my wife and family and for you. Like I said, my grandson, he's a handful. He's 8 years old. That's him. Oop, over here. There he is. That's my old buddy. Yeah, he's a handful. So much energy, 8 years old. So being able to keep up with him and run with him and play ball with him and Fortnite and whatever we do, that's what being a papa is all about. And if I was sick and disabled in a wheelchair or in a hospital bed or dead, I couldn't do that. So remember your why. That'll keep you going when you can't talk or when the scales don't move or the blood pressure is not changing. Remember your why you started doing this to begin with. And that'll help encourage you to not cheat, stick to the program, and make healthier choices. Like that guy in yesterday's video in the hospital. He just had a stroke. He made a healthier choice by sending back that crappy hospital food and ordering oatmeal. So it's all about healthy choices. That's all I got. I got through that. I don't believe it. Is there anything else here I wanted to talk about? No. I showed you my scales, my graph, my blood pressure numbers. I'll show you that again. That's it. I made it through. Day 27. Yay. I don't know how much longer I can do this, guys. Seriously, 27 days in a row of making these videos. That's a lot for me. And I think I said when I started this, I would commit to 30. And then I'm going to keep doing a challenge until as long as it takes me to get down to my goal weight, which is 179 pounds. So I'm 10 pounds away from that. So that's not going to stop. I might stop doing these videos every day, maybe 2 or 3 times a week instead of 7 days a week. We'll see. Anyway, this has been the hardest day for me to do a video out of all of them. I don't know why. The mouth just does not want to work tonight. But regardless, day 27 is a wrap. Hope you guys are doing good. It's very quiet on Facebook. I'm not hearing from you, so comment here, comment on Facebook. Let me know how you're doing. If you're new here to YouTube, please be sure and subscribe. There'll be a little link. I think I got that right. Little link over here you can click on. And thanks for all the comments you do give me, and here on Facebook and YouTube and in the blog too. I read all of them and I appreciate them. So keep sending the comments in, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, day 28. Hopefully it goes better. Day 28 of our 2021 challenge. This is Chuck. Finally done from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with me. Jeez.